Yeh Chiun manufactures high-precision, high-quality NC and CNC multi-axis hydraulic press brakes since its founding in 1984. It has established a good reputation and trust among industries, home and abroad, and provides customers with various high-quality products. NC-CNC hydraulic press brake, servo press brake, NC-CNC hydraulic shear, C-frame hydraulic press, hydraulic deep drawing press, hydraulic die spotting press, CNC V-groover, hydraulic folding machine, hydraulic notching machine, roller forming machine, automation solutions of sheet metal fabrication, we provide professional, customized, and high-cost performance products, along with solid after-sales service. Helping customers create maximum values is our commitment to every customer. Research, development, and innovation. Yeh Chiun has an R&D team consisting of senior engineers whose years of experience and due diligence attitude are infused to improvement and perfection of every detail of the machine produced. We use cutting-edge CAD/CAM 3D software to research and develop automation equipment for the general market and for custom specifications as well, applied in various industries. Exquisite assembly and elaborative production. Every machine produced by Yeh Chiun is carefully examined through the manufacturing process by skilled senior operators in collaboration. We have adopted components and parts of the highest industrial standards, coupled with the world top systems. With decades of experience in R&D, plus persistent pursuit of ever higher standards, we are always motivated to upgrade our products to the next level for customer satisfaction in all aspects. In the future, the new manufacturing landscape shaped by Industry 4.0 and advanced manufacturing will inevitably bring in a large number of automation technology inputs. To embrace the new industrial paradigm shift, Yeh Chiun has in recent years launched a variety of automation solutions for bending, shearing, and pressing. These are the indispensable tools our customers need in Industry 4.0 to enter the era of smart sheet metal forming. With the faith of rooting in Taiwan for global deployment, pursuit of excellence for perfection, Yeh Chiun will focus on and is committed to support for the automation technology and its applications, and continues to provide quality products and reliable services, backed by our amassed techniques and experiences.